Hi everyone, let's see how we can save some money on upgrading, and this time with Redis OSS ElastiCache extended support. Let's dive in, it's pretty easy. So with ElastiCache extended support, you can continue running your cache on a major engine version past the end of standard support date for an additional cost. So if you don't upgrade after the end of standard support date, you will be charged. And so extended support provides the following updates and support: security updates for critical and high CVs for your cache engine, bug fixes and patches for critical issues, and also the ability to open support cases and receive troubleshooting help within the standard ElastiCache service level agreement. So let's see the pricing and calendar. For provision instance on ElastiCache for Redis OSS, the pricing of extended support is an additional 80% for year 1 and year 2, and an additional 160% for year 3. And so extended support pricing is also dependent on each AWS region and on the calendar date, which is currently right here. So you can see that the start of extended support year 1 for Redis version 4 and 5 is on February 2026. And also for version 6, it will be on February 2027. Let's take an example. So if you are running a cache.m5.large instance on ElastiCache version 5 for Redis OSS in the US East Ohio region, it reached end of support on January 31, 2026. So for the first 2 years of extended support, from February 1, 2026 to January 2028, your hourly charges will consist of the on-demand price of around 50 cents here, plus an extended support premium of 80%. And so this will be totaling $0.28 per instance hour. And for the third year of extended support, so from February 1, 2028 to January 2029, while the on-demand price remains the same, the extended support premium increases to 160%, and so it will bring the total hourly cost to around $0.40 per instance hour. So to look at your engine version, just go to the ElastiCache service, then click on Redis OSS section. Review the engine version right here of each cache and compare it with the support timeline. And so here, engine version 5. anything are incurring additional extended support charges. So you can detect extended support with AWS billings. Just go to the bills section, select ElastiCache and region, and search for extended support line. So you can see right here the price for hour for extended support year 1 and year 2 for your cache.r6j.large in North Virginia region. And you can see here that I paid around $800 for nothing. You can also identify the extended support cost with Cost Explorer service. So inside you can filter by service equals to ElastiCache right here. In usage type, you can select all the options containing extended right here, and you can group by usage type or linked account. And you can clearly see here that since February 2026, I'm paying for extended support. To find all your clusters incurring extended support price, just create an Athena query over either the cur or the focus file, and you have to filter by charge description like extended support and also the X service code equals to Amazon ElastiCache. And so how to fix it? It's pretty easy. You simply have to upgrade the Redis engine. So upgrade your clusters to a supported version. Upgrades are generally straightforward, but always review the AWS documentation for guidance. And in AWS console, simply go to ElastiCache service and then Redis section. Select one engine, click Action, and then Modify to change the engine version right here. So upgrades version 1 by 1 to ensure compatibility and stability.